Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI note-taking app to help you decide which of these note-taking platform will be a better option for you. So to get started, we'll look at analysis about Notion and Capacities. Notion in 2025 continues to be the top choice for users who want a flexible, all-in-one workspace, and it also lets you take notes, build custom database, create a wikis, and organize project in one place. Its drag and drop layout, rich template, and ability to connect pages make it great for both individuals and teams. However, it can get a bit complex for those who just want a quick and a simple note capture. Then on the other hand, capacities, on the other hand, focus on networked thinking by helping users connect ideas like knowledge graphs. It's designed for creative thinkers, writers, and researchers who prefer organizing content by concept instead of folder. It's a lighter and faster than Notion, but lacks some of the project management and teams collaboration tools Notion offers. And here's the overall conclusion about these two platforms to help you decide. So you can just choose Notion if you want a powerful customizable platform for note tasks and database, or go with Capacities if you prefer a simpler ideas focused app that help you visually link and explore your thought. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. And that's it. Thanks.